right. Hi, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Miss Jen and my daughter, Gabby.
Hello.
And we're going to make pizza today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tell you what you need. Okay, so you want to tell everybody what they need?
You need already prepared dough or store-bought dough.
Okay.
You need a pan. Any topping, but we're using spinach. Mozzarella cheese.
Or you could use other cheese as well.
Oh yeah, you can use other cheese. Sauce, you can make it or you can just buy it from the store, but we made it.
Okay. And that's it, right?
Oh, and a ladle.
Yeah, a ladle is good to put the sauce on the dough. Okay, so the first step is, we already did this, but we put some cooking spray on the pan, and then we put some dough on the pan. Okay, then the next step is to put some sauce on the dough. Now, when you put the sauce on, you don't want it to run over the sides too much. Make like a little border going around.
So it'll be like crust, and spread it out evenly.
Yep.
Can I do it?
No, let me do it, and then you can watch me.
Can I spread it?
No, let me. So you want to spread it around evenly, okay? And that ladle can help you do that. Okay.
It's okay. You can use the back of the ladle too.
Yeah, that's true. You can use the back like this to make it even. Okay. All right. Now the next step. You want to show everybody?
Yeah, look like that.
Yeah. Then we put on the mozzarella cheese.
Oh, don't forget, wash your hands.
Yeah, wash your hands. And we bought cheese that's already shredded, but you can shred it yourself too.
Put as much as you want.
Yeah, as much or as little as you want, whatever you like.
How much?
That's good. Okay.
Ooh, that's a lot of cheese.
That's okay. The more the better.
Yep, you got a cheesy pizza.
Okay.
You don't have to add toppings. You could, if you like cheese pizza, you can leave it like this.
That's right. Well, we like spinach, so we're going to put some spinach on top. Okay.
We're going to do half spinach.
And you can do the whole thing spinach.
Why? Okay. You can overlap if you want.
Yeah. And then when you're finished, you're going to want to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes at about 350 degrees.
Ooh. Make sure to wash your spinach too.
Yeah.
If you're using spinach.
Okay. And you can use any topic you like. You don't have to use spinach. And that's it. Okay. And then we'll come back and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished.
Mm-hmm. That's how it looks like when it's done. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!